you're just filthy. Barbicide is the #1 lead in all disinfection in the medical field whatsoever. Yo, if you don't use Barbicide, I don't know what's up with that. A barber, stylist, nail tech, tattoo artist. I'm gonna show you how I pre-mix this to use for multi-purposes. So I got the bottle empty. Look, all you need is 32 ounces. So I'm gonna use two 16-ounce bottles and go ahead and mix with 2 ounces of Barbicide. Had a little bit of Barbicide left over, which I'm going to use. I'm not gonna open my new one just yet. I'm gonna make sure I use this. CC cup, boom, right about there. Give that a good shake. It's pretty much good to go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Good. You can use this for your workspace, for whatever, clippers and all that too. You can't really afford your aerosol cans like the clipper side. Hey, look, mix up the Barbicide and you're good to go.